on your wonderful show Around Town, brought to you by ConnectNigeria.com. I'm sure you're wondering, where am I at the moment? I am here at Muson Center, and it's a wonderful event called She Can.
If you know yourself, no problem. I know myself. My friends know me that yes, Ellen Paul is not a comedian. My friends don't call me comedian. They call me tragic hero. You are using an Android phone of about 60-something thousand, and you're telling me you are broke. Why here? Are you into IT job?
It was tough. You know that kind of family that if they buy you jam form once, if you don't pass, they will not buy another one for you. That kind of family.
This kind of program, they're actually good to bring us back to reality, that things are really yeah.
Well, I came here to get inspired. We have a lot of lovely ladies out there. Their talk was exciting, was inspirational. Helen Paul was, she really motivated me.
And ladies are the ones that are very good in checking age. She's just 3 years older than me. If not for condition that I'm working for you, I can boldly say, in my career, almost 18 years in my career, I've been supported mostly by the men, and I appreciate them a lot. I don't know how they do it. Men are giving you things without expecting in return, except if you now want to do cheerful giving. Maybe you have a heart of thanksgiving. Men won't just address you if they've not seen sign. You are going to meet a chief who says that he likes you on TV. You are going there, to get there, you open BRT lane. Then, when you go to him, you go there twisting your tongue. Oh, hello, sorry, I heard you like me. Oh, thank you so much. The man had go begin to the play. Oh, lock. But when you go there, everything zipped up. And as you are getting there, the man is sitting. Oh, come on, Helen. Ah, daddy.
This is actually the maiden edition. I want to first of all ask, why did you decide to jump on a project like that? Is this awesome? Let me put it that way.
Well, I'm flattered, but the truth is, this is a give back. It's more of a give back to me because I believe in the fact that empowered women should always empower women. So basically, that's the reason why.
Anything that would give a woman a chance, an edge, I'm always all for it, and that's exactly what She Can is doing, and that's what they're about, giving women an edge, giving them a chance to be more than they really are.
The world is changing. I became the chief content officer of Bureau. I was earning very fat salary, and I was in 200 level. I had people, MBA, people that attended Harvard. They were working under me, and I was doing part-time at Lastly. It's what can you do?
It's now becoming clearer that the She Can addressing the girl child is a necessity.
Why are you not investing in yourself? Look, if you cannot invest in yourself, nobody will invest in you. Nobody cares about you but you. So stop feeling entitled. Like, yeah, this is my dream. You're trying to kill it. No. Nobody can kill your dream except you.
Can Nigeria is a movement for today's woman to realize she can do much more when she recognizes her innate potential. You understand that she can do more. So basically, empowering every woman to realize that they can do more in whatever industry they find themselves in. That you can do more. You and I can do more.
We can actually do it.
We can. What She Can Nigeria is trying to do is empower the minds of women to think differently about their approach and how they use technology to empower their lives and realize their dreams.
When I heard the name She Can Do More, I realized that's me, they're talking to me actually. So I just wanted to come here and get motivated, listen to great people speak and learn from them. That was the idea.
So are you motivated?
Highly, super. I'm really motivated.
I like the way she said super. And are you motivated?
Morale is very high right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, if you know that today you've made up your mind to correct everything, your own mistakes and all I've said, let me see your hands up. So you are the next boss. You are the next first lady. You are not going to give up easily. And what defines you is not the wig. Amen. Have a wonderful day. My name remains Helen Cole.
On your feet, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause.